Hello, hi, namaste, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Sneha and welcome to my channel. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to hit on that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. So in today's video, I'm going to create a very glamorous and a Christmassy look. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So starting with my skincare first I'll apply the same serum which I usually use. Now I'll just apply a very good moisturizer, that's the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. Like, I have been using this moisturizer from a very long time and I just love this moisturizer a lot. And since it's winter and our skin is hell dry, so we have to moisturize our skin, our face, so that our makeup doesn't crack and it does not look cakey. In order to get a very good makeup on your face, you have to apply a very good moisturizer and moisturize your skin a lot. So here I'm using this moisturizer and I love this moisturizer because it's very thin and it just absorbs on your skin and you feel very good after you apply this moisturizer. Now next I'll be using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer on my T-zone so that Christmas is a long event, so that my makeup does not crease up over here and they don't focus more on my texture, my pores is hidden. So I'll be using this primer to hide all my pores and my texture, which is especially in this T-zone area. So now I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228, that is Soft Tan. I'll just take one pump of this foundation and just apply it all over my face. And now for the concealer, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal and it's in the shade Pure Beige. Now I have been using this concealer for a very long time and this is one of my favorite concealer, though it's very expensive, like it comes towards the expensive side, but it's worth buying it. It is a very good concealer. It just conceals all your dark circles and all your tiredness. So I'll just apply it under my eyes. Now once my concealer is done, I'll just pack my under eyes with this K Beauty powder. It's in the shade Banana and I'll just pack my under eyes so that it does not crease. So now the main important thing is the eyes, because everything, all the foundation and the concealer and the contouring, blush, I do the same every single time, but the most important and different thing is the eyes. So today first I'll be doing my eyes, then I'll go towards my blush, my contour and all those stuffs. So I will just zoom you in so that you can see how I do my eyes. So for today's video, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, which is in the collaboration with Tammy. So I'm using this eyeshadow palette because it's very colorful and today my eye makeup look is going to be very colorful. So this is the eyeshadow palette I'm going to use today. So for the eyebrows, I'm using this NYX Professional Micro Eyebrow Pencil and it's in the shade Espresso. Like, I have been using this eyebrow pencil for a very long time and it is so amazing, I tell you guys, because it just gives that thick look to my eyebrows and also it looks so natural. So I'll be using this eyebrow pencil today for the eyebrow. And you guys can already see the difference it has made on my eyebrows. That's the reason why I love using this eyebrow pencil, because it gives that natural look to my eyebrows and I just love it. So since I'm doing this colorful eye makeup look today, I'll be using either a lighter shade of my concealer or the eye primer so that the color just pops out on my eyes. So I'll be using this Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup and it's the eye primer and it's very inexpensive. It's just rupees 275 and you get this bada wala dibbi in it. So I'll just take a very less amount and apply it all over my eyes. So my idea today is to apply red eyeshadow on my outer and my inner corner and leaving a space in my middle part, and also applying a green color glitter on that middle part. So first I'll be taking this red color eyeshadow over here. So I'll just dip my brush over it, tap off the excess and just start applying it. So now I'll take this flat brush and take this shimmery eyeshadow from this palette and just apply it in the middle of my eyes. And now just blend the eyeshadow so that it does not look harsh on your eyes. So now for the under eyes, I'll just use a green shimmery shade and just try to smoke it out. And now I'll take my kajal and just tight line my eyes. So this is how my eye look turned out. So I'll just do my another eye and we'll be right back. So this was it for my eyes. Now I'll apply some mascara to give that good look on my eyes. So for the mascara, I'm using this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational mascara. So this just volumizes my eyelashes and this just gives the length. So first I'll apply this Too Faced mascara on my eyes. This is how my eye look turned out today. So now I'll just contour my face with the Contour de Force face palette from Sugar Cosmetics, and it's in the shade 02 Vivid Victory. And I'll be using the same palette for the blush as well. So now for the final touch, I'll just apply this Makeup Fixer Natural from Swiss Beauty. Now for the inner corner, I will use this shimmery green color eyeshadow again from the eyeshadow palette, the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and just apply it in my inner corners. And for the eyebrow, I'll be using this Sugar Cosmetics ka highlighter itself. So that was it for my face, and I am kind of liking this overall look. Now I'll just finish it off with a lipstick, and for lipstick I'll be using something red. So now I'll just lip line my lips with this Lips Don't Lie from Nykaa, and it's in the shade Dirty Secret. I'll just lip line my lips with this. And after this, I'll use my MAC red lipstick, which is in the shade Ruby Woo. You can use any of the red lipstick which you have. So I'll just use this one and just finish my entire makeup. So this is my entire makeup, and I just kind of love this whole vibe because it's Christmas and we are allowed to do a more makeup, and I loved the combination of red and green. It looks super cute and I'm just loving this whole vibe. So that was it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, do not forget to hit on that like button and also comment down below, and do share this video to as many people as you can, because you know that would mean a lot to me. And also do not forget to hit on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. I'm also super active on Instagram. You can follow me there. I will leave my Instagram handle right here on the screen. So I'll see you guys soon with another interesting video. Till then, take care, stay safe, lots of love. Mwah. And also guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.